in this agribusiness, there are some things that hurt a lot. There are some things that cause setbacks, and there are some things that break someone's progress down totally. So if some mistakes happen in the farm or something happened to or a farmer in the farm, it can actually cause a total breakdown. I was going through one of the Facebook group. It's all about poultry farm. So I came across a video that actually melt my heart. Like I feel very, very bad and sad. I was very, very hot because I don't, you're gonna watch the video too. You will see the video showing on the screen here too. So I think they supplied the man. For instance, now like they supplied him yesterday and today he met thousands of mortality on the ground. So it was a chick. So they supply him. So this there is this thing about the drivers and the suppliers. So if you are a supplier, like you supply chicks and you are listening to my voice right now, you are watching me right, please supply a good quality of chicks. Don't supply chicks that are not healthy. It doesn't help. For someone to spend money, lots of money on this kind of things like this, and at the end of everything, the business got broken, like everything just went down totally, that is a huge setback. Please always vaccinate all your chicken, all the chicks you are going to supply before supplying. Just take the necessary precaution before transporting any chicks to any, maybe it's a distance place or a very short place. Please just take the necessary precaution, give them the necessary things before you transport them. And this issue of driver, we have rough road everywhere, so I know those chicken might die for stress. Maybe it's because of stress, or they were not vaccinated well in the hatchery before they take them out. All these chicks, they are still young, very young, so they don't have strength. And due to this weather, we are in dry season now, so this weather might not be okay for all those chicks. So please, if you want to supply them, and the driver, please, you people should take it easy with the thing you are supplying. So our road are not good, we all know that. So, and trying to run so that you can supply up to 3 4 places in a day is totally out of it. It's not good. This is our road. Driving rough or driving anyhow, anyway, can actually cause a huge lot of stress that might let all these chicks to die. So, which is not okay. So you can see the video. So this man actually lost a number of chicks just within 24 hours, which is totally bad. So how is it going to start? So I was really, really in tears. I was sad, very, very sad. So I just feel like I should, post this, say this to you guys so that you can, you know, um, check it out too. So if you want to supply, please supply a good quality chicks, and the driver, please take it easy with what you're supplying. It is not easy to get this money because I felt his pain. I felt it very deeply. And to all our farmers that are getting all these chicks, please, let's make sure we give all these chicks, whenever time they supply them, let's put them in a very good condition, in a proper condition, and as well give them anti-stress vaccine. We have multivitamins and other vitamin like that that can reduce stress for all these chicks. Please make sure you do all these things. Failure to do this makes some of them to die. So all these things, all these chicks, they are still young. Please, we need to handle them with care. So I was really, really, I felt really, really bad about what I saw yesterday. So I just think I should post it so that everybody could learn from it. This is a huge setback, which shouldn't be for this person. It's a great loss. So I hope other farmers and that are trying to get their supply from any of the archery in Nigeria. I actually talk about top 13 archery. So the video is down there. You can watch, so you can get a good quality of chicks from those from the above listed. So you can get quality of it from them. So please get your chicks from a better place. So it might likely be that most of these chicks they weren't put in a good condition. They were not vaccinated. They don't have, they weren't taken care of. That is why they died when they brought them to his farm. So please get a very good chicks and put them in a very good condition. If you are supplying, please supply in a very good condition as well. And if you are to get these chicks, whenever time they supply them to you, please make sure you condition all these chicks very well, just to avoid things like this. I really felt for this man, and I just pray he picked up again and move again, because if something like this happen, it actually discourage a lot of people, because lots of these farmers actually use loan to back off their farm, so which you know it's really terrible to have such a great loss. So just keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too, to get notified when next we drop a new comment for you. So my name is Simeon, so I am your farm captain. Just keep on watching another video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a great lesson from this.